Hey y'all, we are making a smoothie in my new Blendjet blender. I think it's the best so far, for sure. So we're using a little almond milk, and I'll use a little water. You guys can see that. A little water. I use a little bit of flaxseed and goji berry, so full of antioxidants and immune boosting properties. I always put in a little bit of honey, tons of antimicrobial properties, just for a little sweetness, just in case things don't go quite right. I am using the standard processed protein right now. It has a little whey in it, a little kale, a little Brussels sprouts. I use about 2 scoops. Whoop, and we're going super fast here. And then I'll use some cherry berry blend from Aldi's. Has like sweet cherries, tart cherries, and strawberries. And then, whoop, I'm getting powder all over everywhere. And peaches. Trying to think, did I forget anything? Oh, and some kale and spinach. So, you know, big immune booster. Full of tons of fiber as well. I'm supposed to not be shoving this in here like this. It's a little too close to the top. But put that lid on, blend. Oh, and now it gets stuck, probably because I put too much stuff in it. There we go. A little bit of powder right there. And I blended a few times to make sure it's extra smooth because that's how I like it. So, I don't know, try this at home. Take care.